So hi guys, welcome to Chart Traders channel for tomorrow trade setup 5th May. So the question is whether we are going to see the crash tomorrow because we saw more fall today, around 200 points fall. So let's look at the Nifty chart, how it is going to react tomorrow. So note down guys, our channel is only for educational purpose. So if you're trading, please contact your finance advisor. So let's look at the Nifty chart, how it's going to react tomorrow. Let me change my screen now. Okay. So let me change my screen. So you can look at this trend line. Okay. So now Nifty has taken a support from this 14,450. So suppose if tomorrow if it break this trend line and this 14,450 levels, we can easily expect it can touch this 14,400 and also try to fill this gap here, and then can touch this 14,350 levels. From there it can bounce back, retest here, and then again we can see a fall. So that's a level on the downtrend. Suppose if we see a positive opening tomorrow, we can easily expect it can touch 14,600 levels on the uptrend. Okay, so maximum what I'm expecting is 14,600. On the downtrend, if it break this, we can expect 14,350, and maybe tomorrow if it break this 14,300, we can see further downtrend on Nifty. So that's the reason I've mentioned tomorrow we can see a crash, market crash tomorrow based on this trend line. Okay, so let's look at the bank Nifty chart. So how it's going to react tomorrow. As I mentioned, 32,000 is a strong support. Okay. 32,000 currently it's a strong support here. If it break this 32,000 easily we can expect further downtrend. Sorry. Further downtrend till 31,700 can also reach to 31,300 levels, but currently it doesn't look more downtrend in the bank Nifty. It may try to take this support tomorrow. If it take this 32,000 support, we can see it can again come back to 32,600 levels. So that's about the bank Nifty. So this bank Nifty and the Nifty chart is shared in the Twitter. Okay, you guys can access it. So let's look at the OI data. So how it's going to react as per the OI data. So let me change my screen. So hope you guys are able to see my OI data screen. So if we look at this, 14,500 is a support, 14,600 is a resistance. So it's in this range. Okay, if it fails to hold this 14,500 below, we can expect 14,400, 14,300 levels. So that's a level on the downtrend. On the uptrend, if it break this 14,600, easily it can touch this 14,700 as per the OI data. So let's look at the bank Nifty OI data. As I mentioned, 32,000 is a strong support here. Even the OI data says the same. So if it fails to hold this, we can expect 31,500, 31,000. So if it break this, we can expect 32,500. The maximum is 33,000 as per the OI data. So that's about the OI data on index. Let's look at our training program. This is our training program, guys. If you guys are interested, you can contact me at Telegram ID at Hemant369. We are going to start a new batch in May 2nd week. If you guys are interested to learn technical, please contact me. This is a topic which we are going to cover. So it is the training is only on weekends, 4 weekend session and 1 month support. So overall it is 2 months training program. So if you are interested, can contact me. So let's look at the stock for tomorrow. TCS, currently today it was showing a support at 3000 levels. Okay, so now we can consider 3030 as a support. So if it hold this, then we can see further upward move till 3090 levels. Then if it break this 3090, we can see further uptrend till 3120 levels. So that's about the TCS. And if it fails to hold this 300, we can see more fall in TCS. So that's about the TCS. So let's look at the Reliance. As I said yesterday, it has reached this 1900 levels today. So if it fails to hold this 1900 levels, right, we can see further fall. We can also expect it can touch this 1890 levels if it fails to hold this support 1900 levels. So and the resistance is 1932. If it breaks this, we can expect it can touch this 1950 levels. So that's about the Reliance. So let's look at the Ramco Cement. So Ramco Cement, today we saw a downtrend from 990 and now the support is 958. So it's moving at this range from couple of weeks. So if it again bounce, we can expect it can touch this resistance 980, and if it break this 980, we can easily expect 1014 levels. And if it fails to hold this one second guys. If it fails to hold this 950, we can expect it can easily touch 924 levels. So that's about the Ramco Cements. So let's look at the TVS Motors. So currently we have a support at 600 levels, 600. So if it fails to hold this 600, we can see further downtrend till 595 and 585 levels. That's about the downtrend. Uptrend, if it break this 618 20 23 levels, right, we can easily expect it can touch 635 levels. It can also reach this 640 levels. So that's about the TVS Motors. Let me check if I received any query from you guys. So no. So I haven't received any query. So I have Manju also with me. Hi Manju. So what's your view of tomorrow on
Hi.
So what's your view on
on the Nifty side, right? I mean, as I said, it's a trend line support. 14,200 will act as a major support now.
Yeah.
If it breaks, you can see 14K.
Yeah, even I feel the same. So that's in.
If that is also gone, then we might.
Go ahead, Manju.
I mean, if it breaks 14,000 also, then we might see a downtrend.
Okay.
But, I think from 14 it should bounce back.
So thanks Manju for joining with me, and thank you guys. So please share, comment, and also view our Twitter account. So all this chat will be shared on our Telegram channel, Chart Traders 369. So thank you guys for watching our channel. See you on the next video. Thanks Manju. Cheers. Bye.